Guys, right here, this is the FLYBIRD dumbbell bench. Now I have this FLYBIRD flat bench right here. This is great for exercise where you need a flat bench. This one is great for using dumbbells. So this dumbbell bench has an adjustable back so that you can do a lot more exercise with your dumbbells. Let's go ahead, unbox. And one more right here. Boom. All right, what do you have inside here? Looks like it comes pretty much pre-assembled. There it is. Okay, looks like we have the manual and a safety pin right here. Got the FLYBIRD dumbbell bench right here. So we have a big zip tie. Here's this piece right here. This thing kind of folds out. Locks down here. That's where the pin goes. Okay, and let's go see this one up here. This one right here pulls out. Okay, it moves it up. This one is adjustable to wherever you want. Lock it in. Very modular, nice. Okay, so this one, you can attach just like this right here. And with this little nut right here, tighten it over here. Solid, and our bench is ready to go. There it is. So now, we can go ahead and use this bench for bench presses, chest curls. You can set this up. If you want to, we can hire this position right here. Hire this bench by lifting this, move it up. Highest level right there. Put the safety pin in here for security. And now, we have this bench in this position for some curls. You want to drop this seat down here. That happens easily too. Pull this down. Drop the seat to like maybe this level right here. Put the pin back in right here. And now you have this curls this direction. This bench down here. Whatever height you want. Exercise this way. Lift this up. Go flat down here. And this part right here, you can move it up to here. And now you can make a perfectly flat bench. Flat benches like this. You can do your dips like this. You can do whatever you want. This bench is adjustable. So again, this right here, this is the FLYBIRD adjustable dumbbell bench. So this thing folds up very compact. As you see, this is the compacted folded form. Very nice and compact. You can store this away really easy. But when you expand it, you have a full bench. This is the FLYBIRD dumbbell bench. It's pretty awesome. I like it. Very compact and adjustable and lots of flexibility for different positions for your workout needs.